Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys an update of what's going on over here in Florida. We're not completely quarantined like Italy or California is right now, but everyone is doing social distancing and most things are closed. Schools are closed, stores are closed, grocery stores are still open, and you can still go to them, but everybody's very serious about being clean, washing your hands, sanitizing, shopping carts, and we're taking it seriously. I think we should probably be taking it a little bit more seriously, but here we are. So anyway, we're making some pizza today. I was inspired by Carla's cooking stream yesterday, but I have a toddler, so live streaming is not conducive to having a toddler because you guys probably don't want to listen to her scream. So I got everything prepped and me and her are going to make the pizzas, arrange them, and serve them up a little bit later. What? Can you say we're gonna make pizza?
Pizza.
Pizza!
Crackers?
Yeah, those are crackers. This is Luna. Anyway, so for the sauce, what I did was just use a can of tomato sauce that I already had on hand. Added in about a half a can's worth of water to dilute it. I did some salt, pepper, the fresh basil that we picked outside. And then at the end, I'll do a little bit of balsamic vinegar. I mixed in some olive oil too. I'm really not following a recipe. I'm just kind of doing what my mom does, which is wing it and taste it and see along the way if it tastes right. For the pizza dough, I personally just grabbed dough that was already made from the grocery store, but I just don't have the time to make dough from scratch with a little baby. But we have an awesome recipe that I will put in the comments down below on our website that you can follow if you want to make the pizza dough from scratch. Luna is a huge help if the thing you need help with is bringing dog toys in the kitchen, right? Okay, so we're gonna grate this mozzarella. Can you say mozzarella? What? Can you say mozzarella? Mozzarella. Okay, we'll go grate. And look, it comes out. You wanna try it? Taste. It's cheese. Yeah. Yeah, you can eat some if you want. You need help with your banana? Help with banana? Here you go. Okay. Hold your banana. I'm gonna get a spoon. 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 Yeah. I need your help. Okay. Take your hands and spread it like this. Ah! Can you do that? Put your hands in. Ah! Yeah! Thank you. I need your help.
What?
Yeah, this is gonna be pizza. Yeah. All right. Nice and messy. Right now, we need to put sauce on the pizza. Can you transfer the sauce onto the pizza?
No.
Try it. Yeah. Good job. Do it again. All right. Thank you so much. You do those ones and I'll do this one. Okay? That looks pretty good. Oh no. Let's put that back together. All right, well when we, oh, it's not ready yet, baby. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, that looks great. Yeah, that looks great. Ooh, look, it's basil. Okay. This is our backyard. This is Aria's playground that she plays on, and it is super helpful because everything is closed and there's nothing to do. We gotta stay away from people, so we hang out in the backyard. Yay! You want me to swing too? Okay. Okay. We'll swing together. Together. Yay! Aria already ate her pizza.
We're eating ours.
We're eating our pizza and watching baby TV. Aria,
Look at the camera.
we stand with Italy.
We stand with Italy.
We stand with Italy.
Everyone's doing a great job in Italy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Piece of pizza? Not like it? Delicious.
Now we're eating on the couch.
Yep. No God. Hmm? Amazing. Alright, you say pizza. Yeah. We love pizza. We love pizza night. Pizza. Yeah. Pizza.